The fate of Joshua Duggar now lays in the hands of a jury, but the jury did not reach a verdict yesterday. Lydia Fielder is joining us now with more on what we can expect from the courtroom today.
That 12-person jury did not reach a verdict yesterday, so they'll reconvene here today at the Fayetteville Federal Courthouse at 8:30 this morning. The jury deliberated for about 4 hours yesterday and had a few requests for Judge Timothy Brooks. Now, this is video of Josh Duggar leaving the courthouse yesterday. The jury asked the judge if they could listen to an audio recording of agents questioning Josh Duggar at his used car lot in November of 2019. In the interview, agents asked Duggar who had access to the HP computer at his business. They told him that they were investigating child sexual abuse material that traced back to the IP address at his business. One juror also asked for a physical copy of a calendar from May of 2019 to the present, but the judge denied that request, saying all the evidence the jury needed was already given to them. We spoke to a legal expert who says it's not uncommon for jurors to take their time in deliberations.
Part of the instructions that the judge gave them at the outset of the trial was for them not to come to a conclusion until the case was submitted to them on a whole. And so once they've finally concluded all of the evidence and they have submitted it to them by doing your jury instructions, giving closing arguments, everything else, only at that point are they allowed to actually start considering what their verdict is going to be one way or the other.
If the jury does find Duggar guilty, then it's up to the judge to decide his final sentence. If he's convicted, he could face up to 20 years in prison and fines of up to $250,000 on each charge, one for possession and one for receipt of child pornography. We'll have all the latest updates on the verdict for you tonight on 4029 News. For now, reporting in Fayetteville, Lydia Fielder, 4029 News.